Welcome to Qigong practice. We're going to be doing the morning practice that I recently was lucky enough to attend at Mantak Chia's home in Chiang Mai in Thailand. This will be incorporating elements of things like the six healing sounds, the inner smile meditation, working with the microcosmic orbit. So lots of ancient Qigong practices that you can build into your own daily practice in your own home. So you might like to just start by, as always, just taking a deep sigh. Let your arms be heavy. Just maybe invite a little smile onto your face, just softening of muscle, tension, tightness, wherever it might be. Maybe a deep sigh. Just allow yourself to arrive into your practice. Practice doesn't really teach us something new. It teaches us who we are, teaches us who we can be when we get rid of this tension and tightness. So try not to think of this as adding something new or adding something on. Try and think of it instead as a shedding, a letting go of any habit energy we have that's not serving us. You might like to join me turning your arms towards the front, palms open, chest open, heart open. Just imagine this feeling of strong back and soft front, open front. We can be both soft and strong. When our next breath comes, we'll lift up. At the top of our breath, we sigh out. Just let the arms be heavy. When a new breath comes, we open again. And we let go. You might like to just imagine you're inviting in new learning, new energy, letting go anything we don't need anymore. Let's bring our hands down to our navel. You might even like to place your fingers on the edge of your belly button. As we breathe, we're going to draw the belly in, maybe a little massage of some of our organs, and then breathe out. Feel your fingers gently pressing in and out. We're going to add a vocalization to this, just a hum. Mm. Breathing in. Mm. Notice your weight over your heels. Mm. Now we'll take our hands a little lower to our dantian, the center of stored qi in the body. Now we're going to switch our breath to our abdominal breath. Just as you breathe in, feel your belly expand underneath your hands. As we breathe out, we hum. Mm. See if we can move the chi through our body, breathing in. Mm. Let's turn and twist. Reach the hands forward. Palms come down. Just notice the weight of your arms. Feel your bones stacking over your heels, knees, hips, shoulders, back of the neck long. Each time we breathe in, we try and find some space between ligaments, tendons, muscles, joints. Let's take hands behind the head this time. Breathing in, opening. Closing. This time down, one elbow to the side. Mm. Take one elbow behind. Mm. All the way down. Mm. Arms can come down. Let's take hands to the top of our knees, straightening one leg, breathing in. Mm. 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 And this time, one hand comes over the body all the way down to the knee. Mm. And we switch. Mm. Mm. And back to the center. Mm. Extend the palms out. Feel the weight of the arms. And draw the hands back to the dantian.